Welcome to the garden. The sun is rising and leaves are falling. We even have frost on the neighbor's roof. And a little bit on the garden. Look at this. Frost on the chives. Frost on the carrots. Even on the marigold flowers. But it's just beautiful. It's a wonderful, wonderful growing season. And it's just about over. So over the next few weeks, we're going to be insulating every single one of these containers. Now, the lettuce looks like it's just too small to harvest. The cilantro, which looked really good yesterday, is looking really, really cold today. The flowers are just about done. Look at the damage on these leaves. They're dark. That's cell damage from being frozen. Oh, and the geese are coming in. They actually stick around right up until the lake freezes over. It's really more of a pond than a lake, but isn't that beautiful? Just a gorgeous day. I'm probably going to be taking a few more days off now that we're getting into autumn. There's just not as much to do, and I've been really craving some time off. Remember the cilantro this morning? Looked really wilted and almost like it was cell damage from being frozen. But look at this, it bounced right back. Look at all that beautiful growth. That's just lovely. I filmed this update over the course of about a week, so we're going to see some different weather. Today it's actually snowing. It's kind of raining a little bit and then it turned into snow. But you can see it's not sticking to the ground yet. It's just been a little bit too warm. Look at all this stunning fog today. It's like a cloud has descended upon the whole forest. I can barely see across the pond. That is so cool. The ducks think it's hilarious. Those silly ducks. I'm going to be going through all of my old footage this winter. So I'll put together a whole bunch of those compilation videos. Those are really fun. I've just got to go through and label everything and delete the stuff I'm not going to use because my hard drive is actually getting full. I've still got a few things planned for this week, including a compost video, putzing around the garden a little bit, and maybe a few other little projects here and there. Eventually this winter we'll probably get down to maybe 1 or 2 videos a week again, but then right away in spring I'll be back to daily uploads. And every week I'll always do quiet moments for as long as I possibly can. So I hope you stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.